having a discussion with the judge?
Well, it's because he scored my Julian Williams fight 9 rounds to 1. I just want to know where he got the scorecard from. There's no way I lost 9 to 1. I don't care if I lost a close fight. I done fought a lot of great champions. If I lose a close fight, I lose. We all take L's in life. But you scored my card 9 to 1. That's like I got my ass whooped. Like, what was you watching, my man? What was you watching? So I'm not a fighter that's gonna sit back. I know all these guys. I mean, I've been boxing 18 years. So if I see you, I'm gonna say something to you about it. So I just thought it was a shit. I told him I thought it was a shitty scorecard.
What was his response?
Well, you can lose every round this close. I said, well, basically you telling me that the only round you gave me is the round I hurt him in. And I watched the fight on television. There's absolutely no way you can score that fight against Julian Williams 9 rounds to 1. There's no way. I told him I'm actually surprised they're letting you work this fight. I'm surprised that if I was Gallimore's people and I knew he scored for me, he scored for Julian Williams 9 to 1 against me, there's no way I would have let him work this fight. There's no way I would have let him work it. I would have protested and got him off because it's like some type of biasness or favoritism. There's absolutely zero, no way possible I would have let him work this fight if I was Gallimore's people.
So what's the solution with scoring? As we just saw, Adelaide Bird had it 77-75.
I thought that was a close fight. I mean, I didn't see every round, and Sergio's my man, but the 4 rounds that I did saw, I thought he easily could have won. I didn't see the first 4 rounds, but I thought it could have been a draw. So I wasn't necessarily disappointed with her scorecard, because even Ashley told me he thought Angulo got it, and he saw every round. He had it 5-3 or 6-2.
Oh, wow. Oh, interesting. I gotta ask you about the comments you said about Anthony Joshua and Eddie Hearn. You caused an uproar on social media. Everyone was going crazy. You said, well, I'm gonna paraphrase your quote. You said if you get the amount of money, a white man can milk me or something like that.
I'm saying, like, I didn't think it was the time or place. Like, you got a white manager. You have a white manager. And we're talking about a white man milking a black fighter. And I think Eddie Hearn has done a tremendous job with Anthony Joshua. The man's making like an excess of $20 million. He's making that kind of money. Then I'm like, well, milk me, shit, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money to be paying someone. So, especially when you're Deontay Wilder and it's reported you never even made over $5 million. So, I didn't think it was the right. Everything ain't black and white, and nobody gonna speak up more for that race than me. I'm very vocal about my race, but I just didn't think that was the right platform, especially to take a shot at Eddie Hearn in that way, because I just didn't think it was right, especially when you have white people working for you as well. Like I said, like your manager is white.
What's the solution between Jarrell Miller, Deontay Wilder, and just the whole fiasco? What's the solution?
They need to fight. You know what I'm saying? I mean, sometimes they the two best heavyweights in the world. I mean,
no, I said Jarrell Miller. I'm sorry.
Oh, Jarrell Miller and Deontay. I think Jarrell Miller actually gonna be Anthony Joshua fight. They should build towards that. Deontay Wilder, I don't know who hit for it, but I think sometimes something in an event that big, you kind of need to let it simmer a little bit, not overcook. But I don't know if it's ready yet because they beat each other up. Then what? And they're the best heavyweights in the world. So maybe let it simmer another year, and then go from there.
And what's next for Ishe?
I should be coming back sometime in May. Hopefully I'll be back soon. You know, just staying on the grind. I actually fought Julian Williams. Very close fight in my eyes. A lot of people thought I won. A lot of people thought it was a draw. A lot of people thought it was a 1 or 2 point fight. I don't mind with any of those scenarios. My only problem was the judging. I thought the judging was very hard.
You're around the Mayweather camp, obviously. What's your take on Tank Davis throwing subliminal message at Floyd Mayweather?
I have no idea about that. Tank is training in Florida. He's doing his thing with Adrian Broner. Adrian Broner is a great champion. Tank, I've told him in the past, I've been around this game for so long, since I was 8 years old, 32 years. I said, his power is legit. He stops people in the ring. He's a very talented kid, and I wish him the best, but all that drama and stuff, I don't know what's going on.
Last question. I know you're really interested in this fight. Jesse Vargas, Adrian Broner, who you got?
A very tough fight. Jesse's training really hard. good champions, working with an up-and-coming champion, Devin Haney. So I had to pick. Obviously, I'm torn. It's a great fight. I don't really want to pick, but I wish them both well. They're two great guys, two great champions, and I wish them both well, man.
Appreciate you, King. Continued success, man.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate you, King.